There's some greenness that comes along with wet hopping that's a neat addition. It's a neat ingredient, and it's especially fun in something like this harvest beer we do, which is essentially a simple rye, little bit of spice, very autumnal kind of flavor. Good alcohol, mouthfeel level, about 6.5%. All just to give the hop something to work against, but still be a seasonal beer, because you can only get fresh hops in the Northern Hemisphere in autumn, so an autumn beer made sense. The way the harvest beer works year over year is whatever this year's wet hop is will be next year's dry whole cone dry hopping. We knew we had Mosaic. What we love about Mosaic is it's kind of pleasing to all. It's universal. It's got all the flavors of all the New World hops. And we've found through our experimenting with it that it helps to give that some definition. So this year we went through Hopsteiner to Golden Gate Farm in Prosser, Washington, and got some Calypsos. Calypsos have a lemon lime zing, some pear notes, you know, kind of a tea definition to its bitterness. And we just feel that'll pull the broad appeal of Mosaic in a defining citrus way on top of our rye spicy base. And that's what we're doing for 2014. I hope it's fun.